We're going to start by considering x plus 5 squared, and we're going to multiply this out. Now, I know this is the opposite of what you asked me, completing the square, but seeing how a square operates helps us understand why completing the square operates. To square this, I need to multiply it by itself. So we're going to take x times x squared, x times 5, 5x, 5 times x, 5x, and 5 times 5, 25. We know that we can combine these like terms here in the middle, and this will give us x squared plus 10x plus 25. Because I multiplied something by itself, I always end up with the same two terms in the middle. 5 plus 5 gave me 10. So another way to say this is that in the middle here, I have x squared plus twice that 5x plus 25. Also, keep in mind here that that last term, so we got the 5x and the 5x from the middle term, that last term came from 5 times 5. So 5 squared is 25. We're starting to see the relationship between half that value and the square at the end. Okay, so let's take a look at an example where our goal is to complete the square. I'm going to make this question up. I'm going to start with x squared minus 14x plus 8. I want to complete the square on this. It's not already factorable nor a perfect square. So I'm going to have x squared minus 14x plus, I'm going to add in something, I don't know what yet. Then that plus 8 is still going to be there, and I'm going to subtract off that thing that I added on so that I don't change the problem. I have to add and subtract that same number off. What number do I want to add and subtract off? So think about this value right here. Just like our 10 up above, that has to be twice something, and the thing that it is twice is the thing that we're looking for. So our b value is negative 14. Half of that, b over 2, is negative 7. That's where our 5 would have been in the previous one. And the number that's added on is that value squared. So b over 2 squared is 49. So I'm going to add 49 and subtract 49 from this equation. That's going to make this first part factorable. I need two numbers that both add up to a negative 14 and multiply to a positive 49. So we're going to do x minus 7 times x minus 7. Negative 7 plus negative 7 is negative 14. Negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. That's the same thing as x minus 7 squared. And then over here, our 8 minus our 49 would give me a negative 41. And now we have this expression in completed square form.